Hello parents and students. Today's Parent University is packed with valuable tips to help prevent costly damage to your district-issued Chromebook while avoiding interruption to your learner's education. At the end, we have a couple of bonus parent tips to help keep your child safe while using his or her device at home. Let's get started. Avoid touching your Chromebook screen with a pen, pencil, or any other item. The screen is sensitive and responds with just a light touch of your finger. Do not use excessive pressure or the screen may break. Do not lay a pen or similar object on the keyboard. If you forget and close the lid, that object may damage the screen. Do not place textbooks or other heavy objects on top of your Chromebook. Excessive pressure could cause the screen to break. Be sure to place your Chromebook on level and flat surfaces where it is less likely to accidentally fall. Always close your Chromebook before you carry it, but don't worry, when you close your Chromebook's lid, it will pause, allowing you to pick up right where you left off. Keep food and sticky fingers away from your Chromebook. While healthy snacks can offer energy to power through homework, they may not be so healthy for your Chromebook. Do not spray or wipe your Chromebook with water or household cleaners like Windex. Also avoid using wipes or cleaning cloths not specifically designed for electronics. Make sure your bag has enough space and nothing sharp before storing your Chromebook. Also, avoid throwing your bag or leaving it in places where it can be accidentally stepped on or tripped over. Chromebooks should not be exposed to extreme temperatures. For example, do not set your Chromebook on the dashboard of a car or under a blanket where temperatures can get extremely hot. Charge your Chromebook every night. Just like us, Chromebooks can take up to a few hours to fully recharge. The charging port on the power adapter is fragile. Insert and remove with care every time. Do not carry your Chromebook around with the power adapter plugged in. Make sure to unplug your Chromebook when it is done charging. This will help extend the life of your battery. Parents, if your child struggles to unplug from their device at night, we recommend charging the Chromebook outside of your child's bedroom, for example, in a kitchen or living room. If you have any concerns about what websites your child may be visiting, you can easily access his or her browsing history. This can be done by signing into your student's account, opening Chrome, clicking the three dots menu, and choosing History, or by pressing Ctrl-H on the keyboard. If you have additional concerns about screen time or web filtering at home, your internet service provider or wireless router manufacturer may offer solutions such as apps to help you set limits on internet access for your child. In addition, we recommend having routine conversations with your child about his or her digital footprint. A digital footprint is any information that exists online about a person which others can see. Some examples include photos, videos, posts, comments, even likes, and search history. At this point, creating a digital footprint is just about unavoidable. However, we can continue to partner together to ensure your child maintains a positive digital footprint. By discussing the types of information that represent how your child wants others to see them, and monitoring their online presence, we can help positively shape the way friends, employers, or colleges may see them in months or years to come. We thank you for joining us today, and we hope these tips will be useful for you and your student. We look forward to seeing you next time here at Parent University.